Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 how to make AK17. So let's start. Okay, now we create some banner, create add mesh and create cylinder, and now we decrease its size and rotate it on 90 degree and decrease the size more and drag and drop the here. And now we something like there. Okay, now it's done. So go to tab and go to edit mode and select the faces. So by selecting faces, click here and select this one and press I and do this like this and extrude it from here. Okay, I enable the image. Okay, it's more. And this again press I and execute it. Press I. Execute it. Now we press again I and execute it. And now I. Now select this face and delete this. Now the parallel is created now. Go tab mode and then add mesh and cylinder. Now we add, decrease the size, rotate on 90 degree, decrease size from here also. And drag and drop here. Then decrease more size. Now tab mode. Now select the front face and same thing. Now press I and press E. Now tab mode and add plane and resize it. Decrease the size and drag drop here. Tab mode. Select one vertices. Now we add modifier, that is skin mirror on Z axis. Now we press A, select all vertices and E and extrude a little bit. Okay, tab mode. Okay, there's one problem here. It was Now let's add some detailing to it. Now press Ctrl plus go tab mode, press Ctrl plus R, Z axis, Ctrl plus R, plus R. So here we wanted to create like this, like effects that you see here. Okay, we create this type of effects here. Ctrl plus R and Press Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus R, Ctrl. So now everything line is created. Now let's execute it. Now select phase 1 and select this and press E to execute it. So we do an alternate. So now it's look like something nice, look good. So let's tab mode and select this one, tab go and Ctrl plus R. So now click on Ctrl plus R, then Ctrl plus R. Press E. So let's click downward. It's not something good. Now we also add some good effects here also. Now tab mode and sorry, select this kind of tab mode. I press Ctrl plus R here. Ctrl plus R. Now press select. Okay, now select it, press E to execute up here. So now it's done and our gun is looking so good. Now let's get red dot side. Now add mesh and plane. We add plane and we then will decrease the size and drag and drop up here. Now we add the modifier, that is our skin modifier, mirror modifier, Z axis. Now go tab mode, press A and select all vertices and do this. Now let's make our side. So there's I divided by from here and also from here. Now here from here. Now it's going to select phase 1 and press E. So now I press Ctrl plus R, and now select this face and join them. Okay, I think the round is too high. Okay. Now we press Control. Sorry. So we press Control plus Q. Now we joined it together. And I size it. So press Ctrl plus R here and going to do this. So now you can look, our red dot side has been created. It's not critical, but it's now it's look good according to me. So guys, thank you for watching, and I think enough for this video. And in our next video we add some textures and some color to this gun. So thank you for watching.